Hi guys, so today I'll tell you how to collect the seeds of the plant called salvia which has red flowers on it. So let's get started. Take anything like this paper to spread the seeds on. The dried salvia flowers look something like this. So look friends, these are the dried seeds that I've taken out from the petals of the flower. I'll show you how. So see, this is how you take out the seeds from the petals I was talking about, like I have done it. It's very easy. You get max to max 4 seeds inside the petal. Sometimes you don't get any at all. So see, that's how I fold the paper and store my seeds. It doesn't cause any harm to the seeds. You can keep it for the next year like this. So see, this is how I store the seeds that I collect. You can store it however you like it, like I have done it, in a folded paper or any airtight container. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening. Bye bye.